Welcome to Alevia. This quick guide covers navigation, account settings, and a full session flow. This is where you can see your current training status via badges and training history. You can also start your next session or view your brainwaves in real time. On the account page, you can update your personal details and access various menus to provide help and support, subscription management, and more. The Alevia app automatically remembers your headset after connecting to it for the first time. Press the power button to turn your headset on. Your headset will appear in the list for you to select. Once connected, press back to continue. Each session starts with a headset check. Wear your headset and refer to the fitment guide and video if you haven't already. When your signal quality is acceptable, the app will automatically progress. Next is the 90-second baseline to calibrate your neurofeedback session. Then select a game for your session. You cannot change games during a session, so view the game preview videos to see what you might like. Training blocks run for 5 minutes each, with your progress shown at the bottom of the screen. Gameplay speeds up when the reward bar fills above the threshold. Training can be tiring and require a lot of focus, which is why rest blocks provide a mandatory 1-minute break. At the end of a session, you may be required to fill out the health forms. This occurs periodically, typically every 10 sessions, to track your symptoms during the treatment. You are rewarded with badges for completing sessions. You're ready to get started with Alevia.